I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, it's making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can help my own frustration, 'cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose, 'cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can help my own frustration, 'cause I think, yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose, 'cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny you.
So by chance, you could potentially be new to my channel and wonder what the heck I'm doing, blowing out all these little mini blooms in a cluster of a mess of what it appears to be. Well, I actually make flower heads, and then I embellish the pour after the fact once it's dry. But I just want to do a quick voiceover, introduce myself. I'm Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before, and kind of explain to you a little bit about what I'm doing. So this is not your standard bloom recipe at all whatsoever. This is standard acrylic paint mixed with a pouring medium that I buy here in the Netherlands, which is relatively inexpensive. And then I blow out my little blooms. I do use the bloom recipe cell activator, I guess. Not probably in the same ratios as anybody else because my paint is relatively thin. It's slightly thicker than a Dutch pour, nowhere near the thickness of a typical bloom recipe. And if you happen to be wondering why I'm putting the little blue puddle down before the cell activator puddle, that's more just so that because I'm blowing it out with an aquarium tube, yeah, I'm fancy like that. You know what, I'm full of a lot of hot air and I have blown down to the bare canvas before if I'm not careful. And I also note that I get better cell reaction if I blow the cell activator across the surface as opposed to blowing down first. And that could potentially be a function of the fact that my paint is not anywhere near as thick as a typical bloom recipe. I've never done a bloom, so I actually don't really know, but it looks really thick when I watch other people's videos. So if you happen to like my content so far, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and note that in the next video, I'm gonna come back and show you how I embellish this. We decided to split this into 2 videos, me, myself, and I. So anyway, thanks for joining, and ciao for now. See you in the next one.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on. Every single beat hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but